Hey yo, it's Joseph Lipper. I've got this new robot here, and it works really well. Check this out. This robot has a double 4-bar on it with a Banshee claw, which is basically just two rollers spinning inward, kind of like an in-the-zone claw, and then is able to grab the game pieces and then just let go of them. And then it also has an intake that works really well, but you don't really get to use that in much in skills because it's actually much more efficient in skills to just grab from the match loader and cycle back and forth between the match loader and the closest towers. Now, in this match, I actually did two separate quadrants of the field, so that way I didn't have to go over to the other loader. So if you're looking at this robot and you're thinking, hey, this is something that I might want to build, go ahead and click that link in the description below. I got some close-up pictures of showing exactly how this robot works, exactly what it looks like, and how you might be able to build one. When I was programming this, I programmed this thing called the place sequence, which is where I push one button and it suddenly will place the entire thing I have in my claw. It'll go down, release it, go back up, and put the claw up to kind of give it some extra freedom, some extra room there. And so that's really important because you don't want to have to be pushing all the manual buttons when you're placing. You don't want to mess it up. You don't want to knock over the stack. So that's this robot. I'll be working on getting some more points in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I got some pictures of this robot. Go ahead and click that link in the description below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.